Here at Synergy Wraps, we get to do a lot of fun projects. Today we're going to be transforming this old van into a Rita's ice cream machine, and we're going to show you the process of that. So Rita's has been a customer of ours for a couple years now, and then they came to us about a month ago with this project that they were buying an old coffee van and wanted to make sure that we were able to transform that into what they were looking for. So we came up with a good design, catch everyone's attention, and we were able to put it together and get it approved, and we're just getting through the print process right now and getting it installed. One of my favorite things of what we do is we're able to see an old van like this, take the decals off, print something new, and rewrap it within a day, and it pretty much brings that old van back to life. So we're excited to see what this Rita's van is going to do for them, and we're excited to get it out of here.